we're going to take a look and see what's inside your art kit. So first you will see a big portfolio, well actually a medium-sized portfolio. Inside of that portfolio, I'll talk a little bit about this envelope, but in class, but you will see a stack of papers. You will have the first stack, there's a yellow Post-it note on it. These are just regular drawing papers. You should have about 4 of those, and you'll need 1 of those for your manifesto project. The next 2 are kind of like a Canson black paper, which I haven't quite decided what we're going to use yet, but it works beautifully with colored pencils. So we'll see where we're going to go with that, but I wanted you to have some kind of colored paper to work with. The next should be just your regular 8.5 by 11 computer paper. It's more like just scrap paper in case you needed some of that. And then you should have, I think, about 6 watercolor sheets. Okay, so these are going to be much thicker. This is going to be for wet media. So that'll be watercolor. And then the next is, it feels kind of like scrap paper, but it's a large, very smooth drawing paper, and we can use some graphite powder with that. I think that'll work really nicely. And then the next pile, I apologize if it got a little bent, but don't worry. This is newsprint, and we're just going to use this for gesture sketches with charcoal. But it's really nice to have something larger just to kind of like spread your line around. So that is what is in your portfolio. And then you also have a bag, a clear bag, and in that clear bag you have a set of paintbrushes for watercolor. You do have some oil pastels, a brand new kit of oil pastels. These will work nicely for resist and that type of stuff. Again, I'm kind of looking at how we're going to use this, but I'm really excited that I was able to provide this in your kit. You also have a palette. I'm sorry it's quite small, but we'll also talk about other types of palettes you can use. You do have a huge brand new set of 24 Reeves watercolors in tubes. This is like high quality, awesome stuff. You will notice that there are some stickers here on different supplies because it is very expensive supplies that there's no way you would get through and use all of this in a semester. So we will ask for you to return that at the end of the semester, or if you are taking Drawing and Painting 2, it might be a supply to hang on to for second semester. The other large expensive piece is a set of 48 Prismacolors. Oh my gosh, Prismacolors, love them, so amazing. I'm sure you've used Prismacolors, but if you have not, this is going to change your life. This little pencil box is my little gift to you. I wanted something to kind of contain some of your supplies for you. You'll notice that you have 2 Ticonderoga No. 2 pencils. So these are just a regular drawing pencil. They're really nice, so brand new. You also have an ebony pencil. Okay, some of you may have used those in drawing and painting or art and design. So that's a very, very dark, it's kind of like a 10B or 8B sort of pencil. So it's soft, it's going to be very dark. It's going to give you some nice marks and nice areas for shading. The other pencil that's in here, oh my gosh, this changed my life when I found out about these. This is a Prismacolor colorless blender. And if you've been using white to blend your colored pencils and you start using this, again, it's going to change your life. Amazing stuff. You'll also see a Sharpie because why not? Why not, right? You'll have a Micron very thin line marker, ink marker, ink pen, so that will also be nice for some thin line work. You have a white charcoal pencil. You have 2 sticks of compressed charcoal. So you'll notice it will get a little messy in here, so if you want to wrap some saran wrap around this charcoal and kind of keep it separated, you can do that. I would recommend that. I'm sorry I didn't do that for you. You will also have 2 sticks of vine charcoal. Okay, so this is a little bit more natural type of charcoal, very, very thin, so be careful with that. This other stick, you're probably thinking, okay, why do I need, this is graphite. So this is pure graphite. This is what is in a pencil. We say lead pencil, lead pencil. It's actually graphite. So this is graphite. This is awesome. You also will have 2 blending sticks or tortillions, okay? A pink pearl eraser, so that's a soft eraser. You have a kneaded eraser, which we will work with that with our reductive drawings for sure. You also have a nice pencil sharpener, so you can keep all of your items sharp. And you also have this weird little pot here of, what is this? This is not eyeshadow, so no, please do not, rub it on your eyes. This is graphite powder. So remember that graphite stick I was talking about? This is pure, the pencil, what's inside the pencil. This is a powdered version of that. So I'm really excited that we're gonna get to use that. It's gonna be some fun stuff with some reductive drawing. So again, this was unboxing your supply kit. I hope you are enjoying the materials and we'll be using them throughout this semester.